So today I'll be your host. My name is Lucky, and I'm going to take you through how to make mchele or rice with kamande. In English it's lentils. So first we boil the kamande for about 30 to 40 minutes. So we'll make white rice. So the recipe is for every cup of rice, 2 cups of water. We add salt because it's an impurity, so it will make the water boil faster. Then we'll add oil later once the water has come to boil. And after a few minutes, our rice is ready to serve. So these are the ingredients and spices that we'll be using for kamande. So now we're going to prepare the kamande. We'll switch on the gas, add some oil. Once the onions are translucent, you add the garlic and ginger. Okay, once the onions are a bit golden brown, add the tomatoes. So right now I'm going to use curry powder. I usually put my curry powder with the tomatoes, then put the kamande, and then I'll use the rest of the spices afterwards. So we'll use 1 tablespoon, no, 1.5 tablespoons of curry powder. Stir. Our boiled kamande. Let it simmer for a bit, then we'll add the other spices. So now we'll put our dania. We'll put our dania, garlic, 1 teaspoon of garlic, a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, and a pinch of black pepper. So we'll stir, then let it simmer for about 5 minutes, and then we'll add the final spice and soup. The last spice, we'll put 1 huge heap of royco, 1 1/4. The food is ready.